I'm Mr Campbell. I'm one of the guidance teachers here at Mintlaw Academy, and we're just going to give you a little bit of information about subject choice and the kind of things that they need to have an understanding of when they're filling in their subject choice booklet. Some of the things that they need to consider when they're making subject choices is obviously have a think about what sort of assessments have been like this year. If they're a third year moving into fourth year, then they need to think about how they've got on in their assessments this year. If they're in fourth, fifth and sixth year, then they'll have an understanding of their prelim results, and we would advise them to use those results to inform them about their subject choices. One of the things that they can use is My World of Work. It gives an understanding. They can put in a certain job that they would like to take, and it'll give them an idea of the subjects and the entry requirements for that course if it's something they would need to go to further education for or university. Other thing they can do is type in the subjects that they want. They can put as many subjects as they want into the search bar. That would give them an opportunity to see what kind of jobs they can get with those sort of subjects. If applying for a college, university or modern apprenticeships, they would need to have a look at the entry requirements for those and have a bit of a plan about how they were going to get those entry requirements, and that would come into their subject choices as well. Over the 3 years, the senior phase, 4th, 5th and 6th year, we would ask them to have an understanding of how they were going to progress throughout those years. If they were going to be in school for the 3 years, then what subjects would they take for those 3 years. So for 4th year, we're looking really at this strip of courses here. These are the national courses. So they've got to take one course in each of the columns, unless they want to take a college course, which would be in this column, and that would substitute whatever would be in this column here. In S4, Maths and English are in columns D and E, so these columns are kind of filled up for S4s, whereas as we've got up to S5 and S6, there's a variety of Englishes in a number of different columns, as is Maths, so it can be much more flexible to suit their subject choice needs. For S5, we would move up to our higher courses. You'd pick 5 subjects, so one in 5 of the columns, and then a wider achievement as well. Wider achievements are in column D, E and F, and whichever one you choose your wider achievement in, you also tick the supervised study, so that goes beside one another. In S6, again, we would probably be looking at higher courses, possibly Nat 5s, but then we extend up to the advanced higher courses for some pupils, and then they would also pick 2 wider achievements out of column D or E or F. In S4, S5 and S6, there's also compulsory PE and PSE, which would be in their core columns. That would fill up their timetables as well.